lion, and their respective dog. The Chow Chow and Bernese are ideal for Leos, as they are striking, strong, and beautiful dogs, which have good posture and elegance. These breeds are known for being independent and proud, which fits perfectly with the Leo personality. In addition, they have an imposing and majestic appearance. This is what attracts Leos, who likes to feel important and admired. Chow Chow and Bernese are very friendly and affectionate dogs. They are also loyal and protective, which ensures security and comfort for Leo.